G'day. So today on the table I've just got a simple unboxing on a TP-Link Archer T4E. So this particular one is a dual band Wi-Fi card that slots into your PCI-E express slot. And let's carve into it and have a bit of a look and see what we get for the money. So these ones aren't the cheapest cards available, but it also isn't the most expensive card out there. Typically, if you want to save money, you'd get one of the cheaper TP-Link cards, which is usually a TLWN881ND, which is just a 300 megabit card, but this one is considerably faster. So in the box, you get standard paperwork, driver disc, just the same kind of antennas that pretty much all the TP-Links have, a low profile bracket. And let's carve into this and have a bit of a look. So as you can see, TP-Link are expected this card to get reasonably warm, especially at higher transfer rates. So here we go, here's the exact model. A few other extra details there. And one decent little cooler. So we'll just pull out the measuring tape and give that a quick measure up. But I found with this one, pretty much it's able to max out my 100 meg internet connection quite easily, and it can hold that at a sustained rate quite easily as well. Anyway, I'm just going to finish up the measure up, and that will be the end of the video. So I hope this unboxing helps you see what you want to see with this particular card, and I'll catch you later. Bye.